Looking to upgrade your PC audio but don't want to deal with bulky speakers? A good soundbar can make a world of difference. Today we're counting down the top 5 best PC soundbars ranked from weakest to best, so you can find the one that fits your needs and budget perfectly. Let's jump right in. If you're on a tight budget and just need a simple soundbar for everyday use, the INGA MZ630 might be worth a look. It's the most affordable option on our list, and while it doesn't blow you away with premium audio quality, it gets the job done for basic tasks like watching YouTube videos or listening to background music. Feature-wise, it's pretty minimal. You get 10W RMS power output, which is decent for a compact soundbar. It connects via USB and 3.5mm aux, so you can plug it into almost any device without fuss. Unlike some of the other models on this list, it doesn't have Bluetooth or any fancy RGB lighting, keeping things as simple as possible. But simplicity also means limitations. The lack of Bluetooth means you're stuck with wired connections only, and without a subwoofer or enhanced bass features, the sound can feel a little flat, especially for gaming or movies. If you're looking for something with deeper bass or wireless functionality, you might want to check out the higher ranked options. So who is this for? If you just want an affordable, no-frills soundbar for casual use, the INGA MZ630 delivers at a rock-bottom price. But if you want better sound quality or wireless connectivity, keep watching, we've got better options coming up. And by the way, if you're interested in any of these products we mentioned today, we've dropped links in the description below for the best deals. Coming in at number 4 is the Nylavee SK100, a solid upgrade over the INGA MZ630 with a few nice extras. If you're looking for something still budget-friendly but with Bluetooth connectivity and RGB lighting, this one's worth considering. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get the flexibility to connect wirelessly to your laptop, phone, or tablet. Plus, if you prefer a wired setup, there's also a 3.5mm aux in port. The 4 RGB lighting modes adds a nice visual touch, making it a decent pick for gamers who like some extra flair on their desk. That being said, the 5W RMS output is a little weak compared to other models on this list. It works fine for casual listening, but if you like loud, immersive sound, you might feel underwhelmed. The bass is also pretty limited, which isn't ideal for action-packed games or bass-heavy music. So who is this for? If you want affordable Bluetooth connectivity with some RGB lighting, the Nylavee SK100 is a good pick. But if you need more power and richer audio, stick around, we're just getting to the good stuff. Also, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and keeps us bringing you more awesome reviews. At number 3, we have the Tylubio ST200, which starts to bring in more power and better features compared to the previous two. If you're looking for a mid-range option that strikes a balance between affordability and performance, this could be the one for you. Right off the bat, 10W RMS means you're getting double the power of the Nylavee SK100. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity makes it versatile for wireless use, and the flowing LED lights give it a stylish look. It's compact and sleek, making it a great fit for small desks. But it's not without its flaws. Unlike the Nylavee SK100, this one doesn't have a 3.5mm aux in port, which could be an issue if you prefer wired connections. The bass is still not particularly strong, so while the sound is clearer, it might not pack the punch some users are looking for. So who should buy this? If you want something stronger than budget models but don't need premium sound, the Tylubio ST200 is a solid choice. But for those looking for the best sound experience possible, you'll definitely want to check out our top 2 picks. Now we're getting into the high-end territory. At number 2, the Sound Blaster GS3 is a fantastic gaming-focused soundbar with superb connectivity, immersive audio, and premium RGB lighting. With 12W RMS and 24W peak power, this soundbar is already more powerful than everything we've seen so far. The Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C, and 3.5mm aux in means you can connect it to pretty much anything. Plus, the RGB lighting is top tier, with 16.8 million colors to customize your setup. The biggest downside? It still lacks deep bass, and there's no companion software for fine-tuning the sound profile. Also, while the super wide mode enhances spatial audio, some users might find it unnecessary for certain types of content. That said, if you're a gamer or content creator who wants a sleek, feature-rich soundbar, the Sound Blaster GS3 is a fantastic choice. But if you want the absolute best of the best, there's one more soundbar that takes the crown. And here it is, our number 1 pick, the Tilted Nation. If you're looking for the absolute best PC soundbar in this lineup, this is the one to beat. It's got the most power, the most connectivity options, and some great RGB lighting to round out the package. First off, let's talk about power. With 40 watt output, this is by far the loudest and strongest soundbar on this list. That extra power means better volume, clearer mids, and punchier highs, making it perfect for gaming, movies, and even casual music listening. Bluetooth 5.0 and aux-in gives you flexible connectivity options, while the 6 RGB lighting modes let you customize your setup to match your style. Now, it's not perfect. Like all soundbars on this list, it still lacks deep bass. There's no dedicated subwoofer here, so if you're looking for earth-shaking low frequencies, you might need to pair it with a separate sub. But compared to the other models, the Tilted Nation easily delivers the best audio experience overall. So who should buy this? If you want the best sounding, most powerful PC soundbar that also looks great on your desk, the Tilted Nation is hands down the top choice. It's the perfect blend of power, style, and functionality, making it the best PC soundbar in our ranking. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best PC soundbars. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end gaming setup, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to grab the best deals on these soundbars. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.